Welcome back. We're going to keep working in our packet. Let's see what comes next. So rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise. So our flag is now going to be pointed, looks like our pointing up. Now we know if we rotate this, the flag's going to be pointed down. Okay. So this was 5 in that direction. Now we have 5 in that direction. 1 in this direction. Now 1 in that direction. The length of the flag is 3. So that would be R prime. Beautiful. Okay. So let's look how the coordinates changed. Our R coordinate was -5, 3. So, and our new R coordinate is -3, -5. So this looks like when I moved counterclockwise before. It looks a lot like that one. They swapped. So the X and the Y are now in swapped position. The Y is where the X is and the X is where the Y is. But this one changed signs. I think that's what happened before. Let's see if that same happened with X prime is 0, -1. And our Q is 0, -5. Yep, so Q before was -5, 0, and these is merely swapped spots. That didn't change signs though. So let's look at this again. When R swaps, oh wait, X didn't change. It's the Y part. Yep, this one didn't change, and this one changes. Okay. Next. Reflect across y equal -x. So I don't know why y equals -x, but it does. So if -x, let's just make x the number 1, y would have, if I plug in 1 here, y ends up being -1. If I decide x is 2, and I plug in 2, y has to be -2. I don't know why, but it does. 1, -1. 2, -2. This is the line where y is equal to -x. Okay, now they want us to flip it over this line. All right. There it is. So just kind of poking through my paper. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. So D is now there, C is here, E is there, and B is there. Let's read these coordinates. -2, 1. E is at 5, 0. C is at -3, 2. D is at -3, 4. Beautiful. So let's figure out if we have a rule. C was -2, +3. So it looks like they swap spots, but one's negative. All right, we had an X and a Y coordinate. So let's look at another one. B or D. D was at -4, +3. Does it look like they swapped? Yeah, they definitely swapped spots. But now positive 4 is negative 4 and positive 3 is negative 3. So it looks like they swapped spots and both are now a different sign. Let's test here. The 2 is now a negative 2. The negative 3 is now a positive 3. They swapped spots and they're both negative. Pretty cool. All right. Reflect across y equal x. I don't know why y equals x, but it does. So if I pick 1 and plug it in, y will equal 1. If I pick the number 2 for x, then y has to be 2. And so if I graph 1, 1 and 2, 2, I notice this is the line they want me to flip it over. So let's fold it over this line. You may want to keep a track of the origin in case you lose your place. So I flipped it over that line. There it is. Okay, so now S is here, T, Q, and R. So let's read the coordinates. 1, 2, 3. R 5, 3. S is 5, 0. T is 4, 0. Awesome. Let's write a rule. But we got to figure out what it was to begin with. So what was R before? 3, 5. So what happened? Looks like they just swapped. Let's see if Q did the same thing. Q is 3, 3. Oh, Q is 2, 3. Q prime is now 3, 2. I am tired, lady. I keep making math mistakes. Q was 3, 2. Q was 3, 2. Yes. Q prime is 2, 3. Yes. It looks like they just swapped spots. So let's write the rule. This is the rule when it looks like they just swapped spots. Swap the spot. Okay. Translate it. Don't move it. Don't move left or right. But move it up 8. No problem. This is an easier one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam. H prime. There it is. We know the rule because they gave us the rule. So we just kind of copy it down. And let's read the new coordinates. -3, +4. -4, +3. Oops. -5, +5. Gee, I did wrong. -4, +5. Good. Let's try another. Reflect across y equal -3. So I don't know why y is y equal -3. So let's think about that. X could be whatever we want. Y has to be -3. So 0, -3, 1, -3. I could also do 5, -3. This is my line, y equal -3. Now they want me to flip this thing over this line. So here we go. Flip it over. What happens? Pretty cool. So it looks like here, 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 here. Okay. So I flip it over the line, and now we have E prime, F prime. Flip it over the line. Now I have H prime, G prime. Something like that. So let's read these coordinates. E prime is -4, -3. F prime, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4. H prime. Let's find out a rule. Well, what was E, or F rather, before? Let's look at before. F was -4, -1. So the thing that's consistent is the distance here between here and there. So I haven't really shown you how to write this rule, so I'm gonna leave this one blank. Okay, we'll talk about it later in class. Check out the next video for more on this page.